Well, we finally got Colorado knocked out. We got all these other cruise videos that I've been wanting to put together. Now we are got our sights set on the Carnival Vista in August. But first, I got a lot of freaking talking about. And one of the things I wanted to talk about is a comment that I saw, and no offense, but hey, it's a good topic, right? It's a good topic and something to talk about. The comment is like, hey, you push sweets or you stay in sweets, but you claim to be blue collar. And well, I've got an opinion on that, and I'm going to tell you about it. But first, watch the jingle. What's up, everybody? My name is Ike Stevens. Welcome to Blue Collar Cruising. We sit here and talk about cruising. We take land vacations, and I get it. A lot of you guys are subscribed for cruise content. You're not subscribed for Colorado, okay? But hey, it's what I wanted to do. I wanted to share, some of the things like Pikes Peak, which is, pretty cool and doing all that. But those videos are done, right? Now we are on our countdown to our next vacation. That is on the Carnival Vista in August. We've got a back to back, our very first back to back cruise. I can't wait to go. Obviously, we're going to take you guys with us, right? We'll take you, right? And we're going to have some fun. I'm in a cruise group for my second leg. Someone said, "Hey, you're that blue collar cruising guy on YouTube, right?" Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to meet you. I'll be looking for you. So that's pretty cool because we're not like a big cruising channel, right? Not like all the other guys are, but we put out a lot of content when we do cruise, right? So it's really cool when someone notices, and also this. Yes, you see the thing, Bonehead Truckers. We get a lot of comments on this channel. I am that Bonehead Truckers guy. Back to back, Carnival Vista this August, and here's a trigger warning. Trigger warning. Blue Collar Cruising is doing back to back in a grand suite. Well, you're like sitting there thinking, oh my gosh, how can you be blue collar? I thought that was a white collar thing. And listen, these are the most expensive rooms on the whole ship. They absolutely are. I think there's probably one or two that are more expensive that only like are like $7,000 or $8,000. Maybe one of these days. Especially like on the Jubilee or something like that. But here's my thing. Here's my thing. Obviously, listen, if you've got the money, if you got the coin to afford something, hey, go and do it, right? Go and do it. Listen, you're on vacation and you want to live a certain way where, you got perks of having a suite. And it's really not so much the perks. Okay, yeah, it's the perks. But it's really the biggest thing out of all of it is the big bathroom. Yeah, yeah. And the storage and the extra room and the perks. The perks, especially on the Vista. With a grand suite, this is the reason why we chose a grand suite instead of a regular ocean suite is that you don't get the Havana experience with the regular suite. With the grand suite, you do. And then on top of that, the Grand Suite has this. When we stayed in the Grand Suite on the Vista, we fell in love with their freaking couch, man. Their freaking couch. And their bathtub is a bigger bathtub. Yes, and that's the reason why. That's the reason why we spend extra. Why? Because we want to live, especially if we're going to be on there for 2 weeks, we want to live in comfort. I've sit there and I've seen people, they stay in the inside cabin. I have never stayed in an inside cabin. Just never have. And I just don't see myself doing it. The only time you get to see the water is when you go up to the Lido or something. I don't, listen, God bless all the people who love the Lido. I'm the guy that tries to kind of stay away from big crowds. I get it. We're on a cruise ship. but I got to have my me time and my us time and all that kind of stuff where it's quiet. You don't have all these people around you. I like having a balcony. I love being able to sit out on the balcony and um, and just soaking in the ocean. You know, that's I gotta have that. You know, not everybody's needs that, but we're going to be diamond, not diamond. We're going to be platinum. I'm rushing myself here to get to the top tier, but we're going to be platinum. But this is our first leg to the back to back is going to be our platinum cruise, right? And you know, if we've gone on all these cruises and all but two have been in suites. Our first one was in a regular stateroom, but it did have a balcony. And then our one that I just posted up on the channel yesterday from the cruise we did last year on the Vista, it was not a suite, but it was a Havana room, and it was like this extra balcony, and it was really priced like a suite. You know what I mean? But we've always stayed in suites, right? We always have. And I think if we would have taken that money and gone, and we could probably done more cruising in cheaper rooms. I mean, who knows? We may be a diamond by now. But like, I don't want to stay in basically a closet. You know, I don't want to sound stuck up, but I don't. You know, I mean, and that's what the inside cabins are to me. They're not. I've seen them. My kids stayed in them, and my kids are cool with it. But I don't want that. I don't want that. And, you know, I'll pitch out the extra money and go on less cruises. If you notice, a lot of these guys out here on YouTube, especially when they first started their cruise channels, right? They went on a lot of cruises, but they stayed on inside cabins. That's the reason why they could do it. I'm not going to sacrifice, you know, that. Now, because they've made it big on YouTube, right? And they could afford, to go on just as many cruises now, but they stay in balcony rooms, suites, and stuff like that. Listen, I may go on less cruises than them, but I'm going to be in the better rooms. And it's not because I think that I'm better than anyone else or any of those guys. I want comfort, and I want perks, and I want space. That's what I want. And that's what we want. That's what, and that's the reason why. That's the reason why we stay in suites, right? Yeah, I'm not out here, this white collar guy, but when I go on the Carnival Cruise, I don't see a bunch of white collar people. I mean, yeah, they're there. There's a bunch of yuppies. But when I go on a Carnival Cruise, I feel like they're more my people. They're the hardworking people. They're the people that are less perfect, and they're low key, and they're down to earth, and they don't care about all this fancy stuff. Now, yeah, they dress up, but they don't want to feel like they're forced to dress up. They want to do it because they want to dress up, right? That's just it. Where other cruise lines, you will have those more of the picky people. I've seen them in the groups. I've never been on these cruises, but I've seen them on Facebook and stuff like that. Sit there complaining about, well, people like me who are not, they're just not perfect. I'm not perfect. I don't have the perfect clothes. I don't have the perfect face. I don't have the perfect hairdo. And I definitely don't talk perfect, right? But I could tell you this. When I feel like I'm on Carnival, I feel like, these are my people. Most of the time. Most of the time. And sometimes, especially on the Glorious last time, it was like, okay, can y'all act a little better? Stop all the loud cussing, Listen, I'm over that cruise, but hey, you want to hear my rant on that one? Go over that one. I'm pretty much over that. I'm looking forward to the Carnival Vista in August. Back to back, okay? Back to back. Going to be there. Grand Suite. All right. You may not see me. Why? Because I'm going to be in the Havana area. Right? Me and my wife are going to be having a nice fruity drink in the Havana area. Nice and quiet. You guys go join those. Here's the deal. You go in those other pools and they're just full of people and all that. Lido is not Lido. The Havana It's just so laid back. It just is. And that's the reason why we're addicted to it. Because here's the deal. We've got the Vista back to back, right? Back to back coming up. But then we have the Horizon in December. Another grand suite. Why? Because of the freaking perks. And it'd be our first time out of Miami. But I don't want to go and get ready. Listen, we're about 2 months away, just a little over 2 months away from the Carnival Vista. Hopefully, I like to see some of you guys there, right? If you guys gonna go, but until then, listen. This is content. So the person who asked this, it's not a jab against you. I thought, hey, I can answer this on video because I can. Hey, thanks for watching Blue Collar Cruising 73.